My name is Jim Woolsey. I'm a venture partner in a venture capital fund, Lux, and a consultant with a group that counsels with respect to security for energy. I have served in the government for 12 years, over the years, and 22 in practicing law. Last job I had in the government was I was Director of Central Intelligence in the Clinton administration. I am very interested in this work on industrial hemp because I think it could be a real move toward prosperity, especially for rural America, but not just for rural America, for the United States as a whole. Nobody is going to buy raw hemp and ship it in order to process it into car bodies and various other things that you can make from hemp. It's too bulky, but where industrial hemp is grown in Canada, Britain, France, Germany, they are doing very well by contributing substantially to local employment. And I think you could see here in Kentucky a very substantial increase in incomes and jobs, not only in the rural parts of the state, but in the towns too.
And so hemp is a wonderful crop for the farmers, but would you also expect there to be job opportunities in technology and processing and other industries?
I would think so, quite possibly industry by industry, because nobody had focused on the fact that about 35% of the new Mercedes-Benzes this year are made out of hemp, or other steps. And with the oils, one can have food additives, one can have cosmetics. There are just a lot of things that hemp is extremely useful for, and it should not be a problem at all to distinguish it from marijuana. Hemp is tall and very thin, sort of like bamboo. Marijuana is a small bush. This is not rocket science to make these distinctions.
And so would you put hemp in the category with other clean sources of energy and resources such as wind power or other types of?
I think it's an extremely clean source for resources for building and making all sorts of things. Probably its value is so high that you don't want to use it for fuel itself. There are other biodiesel plants that are probably better for that. But from the point of view of being a building block in many parts of industry and consumer goods, and being able to make money not only for the farmers but for the businesses that set up to process hemp and turn it into side panels for cars and the rest, there's a lot of opportunity.